a big question in dancehall right now is whether Tommy Lee is Bounty Killa's latest and newest dancehall foe.
Gaza man crazy.
Recent events suggest the newcomer, whose moniker is Uncle Demon, is exactly that.
Cross, angry, miserable, a disruptor, eliminator, a killer, warlord, darkness, the black clothes. Does that something there?
Well, demons and human mismatch, isn't it?
Killer!
What?
Right now, right here, a feud on stage.
So, what? Him call me goated and one bag of something.
You jump on a little demon thing, and I'm my character that so, I never really like it, isn't it?
Who you thought I was talking?
Uncle.
When I sing before them seek God, them seek the devil, who you think I was talking?
Uncle.
Even if you think I'm talking you, that's what you think. It's like me show my can, but me not call no foul. And a foul pick it up and poison himself. I want to blame it on me. I just throw it down in the yard and you licky and yummy. I've been going off a Baphomet ever since I knew myself. Satan, Lucifer.
Peas, no plant a line, goated. Then you can't chat to me. You see me? Uncle.
You diss me.
So you weren't going after it?
I never went after him. I went after demons and devil. He's the only demon, and he's a ticky to demons. The other demon is Baphomet, and that's a demon I'm going after.
Boy, in idea, I try spread some little room away. You better even just do a tune against me. Boy, I try drain my energy. You know that way then.
Okay.
I never say anything negative about you. Me tell you if you leg on negativity, which is the devil behavior.
But that work for him, Killer.
Well, that's working, but something work for you momentarily. You know.
Now that he has the attention of the public,
He make use of it.
drop the demon thing and
It would be best for him. He don't have to.
I'm not coming to music to come pre-religion about this and that. Low, me man. You see me?
Did I say anything bad? If I said leave demon thing and just do the right thing, remember I never called your name, you know. So you, it's just like an insect in a devil thing to me.
I have no time for waste and go to the for my time for shine now. You see me?
you've been on a roll, Killer. This was an experience that no fan had ever seen before.
Listen to me, my value is my self-value. Don't bright with me. Talk about me in a nice light or don't talk. Me ready for defend anything I'm on call my name, you know?
Okay.
And the boy put a foot I get shook in. I'm not even do like that, though.
Who wanna pull up here and tell you this and that? I said what I know I can do.
Okay.
Cross angry and miserably. There's a miss. Uncle. You can't manage my rage, you know that way there. Sit and watch now, cause I future time, you see me? Uncle.
I mean, in the Lulu Lele.
Okay.
He did look who is Bounty Killa. Him ever run a history check. Tell him I am crazy. And I'm insane, you know. Another level. I are the 5-star general.
Me laugh and get the button. I have Stephen far from me.
What?
Me laugh and repeat that.
When a killer you mix up, I must see your father you attack. And me have the most ammunition if it come to war.
Okay.
If him fall upon the stage still, me have no other choice to go for goated.
Food and bread feed me goated. Do it. And I want to prove if you can do it.
Tommy Lee, give me a sneak peek. Me and my viewers, all the world right now, a sneak peek of what you're talking about.
I'm me who know I kick dog bounty. Watch now. Bounty, allow me. I'm rebuking in the name of Jesus.
You're there in a danger zone. hot zone in the field of confrontation at them waters them. You look like nothing. Who better than me? Give me a name. Rough road at the pan. Laugh now.